this video, I'm going to share some old Hollywood beauty secrets that some of the most glamorous women of history have sworn by and have withstood the test of time. First and foremost, I want to let you guys know that there is a giveaway attached to this video and also on my Instagram page. I'm going to be giving away 3 sets, 1 on here, 2 on my Instagram, of the iconic set from Erno Laszlo. So this is the iconic set, and what's inside of this set are a handful of the best-selling Erno Laszlo products that were loved by Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, Jackie Kennedy, the list goes on and on. There are 6 different products in here. They retail for almost $200 and you get to get all of them for under $100. But of course, like I said, I'm giving 3 away. All you have to do to enter is like this video and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite tip was that I shared in this video. And of course, don't forget to head over to Instagram if you want to enter there as well, because I'm giving 2 away there, 1 here. If you want to up your chances and enter both, you can. But moving on to the point of this video. So my very first tip is to learn to really love and enjoy your skincare routine. When I was growing up, I really dreaded my skincare routine. I really dreaded removing my makeup, washing my face, and my skin would pay for it. Personally, I think you can have the best products in the world for your skin, but if you're not consistent, you're not really going to see the results that you could. I mean, it should be something that you could do very quickly if you really needed to, but you shouldn't feel like you need to rush through it. It shouldn't feel like something you need to get over with. It should be something that you learn to look forward to, like really learn to enjoy the process of removing your makeup, cleansing your skin, moisturizing, doing all the steps, and really taking care of yourself. And over the past, I would say year, 2 years, I've really committed to training myself to learn to enjoy my skincare routine. And ever since I did that, it's made such a difference because I've actually stuck to my routine. I don't skip nights, I don't skip days, I don't skip steps. I really do everything that I really need to do for my skin. Obviously, never go to sleep with your makeup on. It's the worst thing. I personally don't believe in like makeup wipes, at least not as like wipe it off and go to sleep. I mean, I guess it's better than nothing, but it's just not my cup of tea. Because it really doesn't take very long to actually remove your makeup if you're using the right products. Sometimes I see people going in with cleansers to try to remove their makeup really quickly, but honestly, you're just wasting time and product because most cleansers aren't really formulated to remove makeup. They might remove some, but they're not makeup removers. What I like to do is what's called a double cleanse, and this is something that Erno Laszlo had like all of his girls basically doing. Take a cleansing oil on dry skin. I like ones that are formulated for sensitive skin. This one by Erno Laszlo, perfect for sensitive skin. I love it. Take a cleansing oil on dry skin, massage it all over your makeup, over your eyes. This one doesn't bother my eyes at all, and it just removes all of my eyeliner, mascara, everything, really breaks it all down, so that way it's really easy for me to just wipe it off, and then I go ahead and I cleanse my skin, and it's a really quick, easy process. Honestly, removing my makeup and cleansing my skin takes me like 2 minutes. Speaking of cleanser, one that I really like is the Erno Laszlo Deep Sea Mud. This was a favorite of Audrey Hepburn's. She actually credited 50% of her beauty to her mother, 50% to Erno Laszlo. Like, he had some dedicated clients. This is a really great cleansing bar because it not only like it makes your skin feel really, really clean, but perfectly balanced. It's not greasy, not dry, perfect. It makes my skin feel like baby smooth after every time I wash it, which I'm addicted to now. And I also love that it comes in a bar form, so that way you can use it for travel. So if you're like a glamour girl on the go, there's something for you. No matter what your skin type is, everybody needs to be moisturizing because that's just going to help it keep looking younger and more beautiful for longer. So a little bit of old Hollywood history here, but Marilyn Monroe loved the Erno Laszlo Felidal Cream. It's a night cream, and I've been using it and I've been really enjoying that I'm using something that was also a part of Marilyn Monroe's nighttime routine. This one is really different and unique. It doesn't leave behind that gross residue. It literally like will sink right into your skin, do its work. It's just really beautiful, really luxe. And again, I just love the idea also. I feel glamorous that I'm using something that Marilyn Monroe also used in her nighttime routine, and it's really important to find whatever it is that makes you feel glamorous during your routine, even if it's something really small, because that will help you to actually look forward to doing your routine and sticking to it. Whatever you're doing to your face, extend it down onto your neck, onto your chest. These areas also are prone to aging. but Marilyn Monroe was a huge fan of the Felidal cream. I mean, not to be morbid, but if you look at the police photographs from when her body was found, you can actually see a jar of this by her nightstand. I'm not kidding. She really loved it. A free tip that literally anybody can do is what's called an ice facial, and I learned this from Joan Crawford. She would actually have like a basin filled with ice water, and she would splash her face 25 times after every time she washed her face. I prefer after I've cleansed my skin, especially when I feel like I need something to like really perk things up. If I want to really tighten my pores, again, you want to do this on clean skin, very important. I will take an ice cube, wrap a paper towel around it, and run that all over my face. And it really helps to perk up the skin, tighten the pores. But speaking of coolness, especially if you have puffiness in the face or puffiness underneath your eyes, whatever eye creams you like to use, pop those into the fridge. That way, you're not only getting the benefits of the product itself, but you're also getting that added bonus of the cooling sensation, which is going to really help to, I mean, it feels great, but it also helps to shrink the puffiness underneath your eyes. The next tip is a little bit controversial, but it's one that I love. I've been doing it for years, and it is shaving my face. Elizabeth Taylor would shave her face, and it would not only remove peach fuzz, but it also helped to exfoliate the skin. So not only would, let's say, her makeup look a lot better, because that's what I notice when I shave my face, my makeup looks a lot better, but it also helps whatever skincare products you're using to actually penetrate the skin better and work better. And it's very anti-aging. I mean, these days you can go to a lot of different spas. They have what's called dermaplaning, and it's basically the same thing. It's shaving your face. It's a really great way to give your skin a glow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting, helpful, entertaining. Before you go, make sure that you like this video and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite tip was, so that way you can be entered to win one of the Erna Laszlo Iconics sets. And don't forget to go over to my Instagram, because I'm giving 2 away on there. 1 here, 2 there. All the information you need is in the description box down below. And yeah, that's all. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and as always, I look forward to talking to you again very, very soon. Bye!